In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet sheet. If you're looking to organize your projects better, streamline collaboration, or simply explore the powerful tools that Smartsheet offers, this is the perfect place to start. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to access the Solution Center within Smartsheet, which is the gateway to creating a new sheet or exploring a wide array of templates. When you open Smartsheet, you'll find the left-hand navigation bar forming the cornerstone of your workspace. On this bar, keep an eye out for the plus icon. It's a simple addition sign, but incredibly powerful in what it opens up for you. Clicking on this plus icon will swiftly transport you to the Solution Center. Now, the Solution Center might feel like the vibrant marketplace of Smartsheet. It's where you'll encounter a grand selection of templates designed with various needs in mind. Whether you're managing marketing, IT, HR, or any other department, there's likely a template suited for your unique requirements. However, if you prefer starting from scratch to tailor every detail, the option to start a blank sheet is at your fingertips here as well. Deciding whether to choose a template or a blank sheet depends on your project needs. Templates can help you save time with ready-made layouts and structure, providing a helpful foundation. This is especially useful if you're new to managing projects with Smartsheet. On the other hand, a blank sheet is your digital canvas, allowing you to fully customize and build out a structure based on very specific needs. There's no wrong choice, only the right one for your current objectives. Take a moment to consider your options, reflect on what you're aiming to achieve with Smartsheet, and select the path that aligns best with your goals. Click to either use a template that catches your eye, or choose to start with a blank sheet by selecting that option directly. Once you've selected your starting point, you're on your way to crafting a useful, organized, and efficient sheet designed specifically for your tasks. Remember, this first step into the Solution Center is like opening the door to endless possibilities within Smartsheet, setting the stage for all the detailed work to come. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel empowered to create a Smartsheet sheet with clarity and confidence. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on maximizing the capabilities of your Smartsheet experience.